storm's over. I promise. The storm's over. Sissy, I told you Jesus would take care of us. It's all gone. The storm went bye-bye. Gloria. Where is my brave girl? Come on. You can come out. It's all bye-bye now. It's so sad I've made her afraid of storms. Glory. Gloria. Where is my baby girl? I see you under there. Come on. I promise. The bad storm is gone. Gloria. Oh, I think she needs a good girl cookie. Do you need a good girl cookie? Would that make you feel better? Oh, would that make you feel better? Mommy, get you a good girl cookie. You was a brave little soldier. Yes, you was a brave little soldier. Yes, you hid out in your protection place. Yes, he was a good little soldier. Yes. It's all gone. But you was a good girl. Yes. Are you ready? Let's get your good girl cookie. Come on. What? Oh, honey, it wasn't thunder, I promise. Come on. Let's... Gloria! Oh. And it just had to thunder. My poor girl. Back under the bed. Just as afraid of storms as I am. What have I done to her, poor child?